Wow, I just checked into Kiev InterContinental Hotel. I am blown away by this room. I was not expecting this. They did upgrade me. I'm an IHG member and they said they had upgrades available, so I was upgraded, complimentary. It came with all these the access lounge, you get the spa free, you get free water, but this room is gigantic. So I'm just gonna give a little tour of this room. So this is the entry. This is the entryway. And they have this lovely little desk here. And then they have a separate room just for my luggage. There's like a light shining on it. Guessing this is, yeah, the closet. Lots of good stuff in there. A safe. Slippers. There's some extra pillows, it feels like, up there. An umbrella. So you walk in and look at this gorgeous room. It just feels so luxurious. So it says here that the mini bar is complimentary. I could choose other drinks and alcohol beverages from the room service menu too. So that's the water. Their water bottles are so pretty. Love that. And then down here is the fridge and mini bar. So yeah, it's just a few things. A working desk. Here is the large bed. I mean, I know it's a king size bed, but it's like a California king size bed or something. It's pretty big. And another little bench to put my things. And then right here is a lovely sitting area with this nice red couch. And they left some goodies for me to eat. Oh, it's like a sliced dry apple, some nuts, and some water. Oh, nice. And I'm in room 1007, so on the 10th floor. The bathroom is gigantic as well. There's a stand-up shower. Oh, it's like a big rain shower there, and then a handheld shower. And then on the other side is a bathtub. It's like a very nice sized bathtub. Some robes back there. It's very nice. And then over here is the sink. And a close-up mirror that Candy always loves. I always have to shout out the mirror to Candy. And then they have, you know, some basics like conditioner, shampoo, bath and shower gel, and lotion. And then over here is the coffee and tea station, and wine if you would like some wine. Oh, what's this? This is the coffee pots. It's different. Okay, so the balcony is probably my favorite part about this room. The view is gorgeous. I have a view of one of the churches. I need to look that up, which one that is. And then there's another church to the distance, because Kiev has a lot of gorgeous churches here. And one of them is my view right up in front. So this is my gorgeous view from my balcony. Okay, so I am beyond excited to stay here for the next 2 days. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. I mean, just from the minute I walked in, people were actually, before I walked in, when I pulled up in the taxi, a bellman came up to me and took all my bags and directed me to the lobby. And the receptionist was very attentive, and even the general manager came out to greet me and to introduce himself and said that if I needed anything, just to reach out to him, and gave me his business card. Wow. And then, you know, They gave me this upgrade to the room and complimentary mini bar and club lounge, which I'm definitely gonna take advantage of. I'm actually kind of hungry right now, so I should probably go check that out. The views from this room is just outstanding. I mean, it was almost like surreal when I walked out because there was this beautiful church right in front of me, and they were playing the bells earlier. The bells went on for a good 10 minutes, but it was a beautiful sounding church melody. And yeah, I'm just so excited to stay here and see what this hotel is all about. I mean, I'm sure it's going to be awesome because from the get-go, it was amazing. Everybody was so nice. The room is gorgeous. The view is outstanding. It's a huge room and looks like I have everything I need here. So excited. Hope this review of the hotel helped you out in deciding if you wanted to stay here. It's amazing. You need to stay here. It's great. The location is awesome. The staff is wonderful. They're very attentive, and yeah, just can't say enough good things about this place. You'll definitely love it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. We post weekly videos, usually on Monday. Also, if you want to know more about this hotel, I'll put a link below to our blog post, and it'll give you just a little bit more information that I couldn't cover all in the video, just to give you more insight into this hotel and the location and all that. So, thanks for watching. Bye.